Hi, Hit Rippers 420 here. This is not my introduction video. This is just a little short video of my unboxing of my mini portable washing machine. This is for making bubble hash. So I will be making a introduction to YouTube and showing off my equipment and stuff. Okay, here we go. Let's open this up. Let's go ahead and open the sides first. There we go. I like to open the sides first, and then you can lift up the box like this. And I'll try my best to get it, but anyways, there we go. I'm in my grow room slash bedroom slash laundry room. Oh baby, let's take that out. We'll give you a little quick view of the top. Let's pull it out by the bag. We'll set it aside here. Put the box down here. And let's turn around here. This is 7.9 pound capacity. Guessing it's about 5 gallons or so. There we go. Has some plastic over the top, and it has a water inlet, which I won't be using. Let's fill it from the top with a sprayer from the sink. And here's the setting. Here's spin, wash, off, don't rotate. We'll be using the wash. That way the agitator will go around this way and around this way, creating a vortex. And then here we have our timer for our wash. And looks like it goes up to 15 minutes. So let's open it up. We won't, comes with this, but we won't be using that. Comes with the instruction book, which we probably don't really need. And this ain't the drain hose, this must be the fill hose. So nice, but we also don't need it. Here we go. Here you go. There's the agitator. So we'll put the bag of hash, I mean not hash, but trim, and or flowers, and you turn it on, and it does its job. It washes it, and then you drain it down into some bubble screens. Here's the drain hose, which I'll probably be replacing with a smooth vinyl hose from Ace Hardware. Anyways, I think that's about it. Power cord on the back. I'll be probably putting some insulation. Probably go to Home Depot and get some insulation. Some of that reflective insulation. So, anyways, Let's get you guys a good picture of the whole thing. I'll put it back, sorry. I have my chest camera here. A little tripod that goes on my chest. Frees up my hands. Anyways, so I think that's about it. Hit Rippers 420 out.